In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP 6230dn 6240 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have bring it up, please navigate to the search bar and type for Canon LBP 6230dn printer driver and click on the enter key button in your keyboard, and in that way or manner you would be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to this result called support image class LBP 6230dn. Click on it, and eventually you would be navigated to a new page where you can see this printer driver. So please wait until it would be ready for you. Now from here, you need to scroll down and locate for this option where you can see the detected operating system. So if your Windows 11 is not being detected automatically, you can click on this down arrow key and choose for it. In my case, it has been automatically detected. Once done, you need to navigate here at the language, click on this down arrow key, and search for the language that you would prefer or your first language that you would understand. So in my case, I would love to go with English since English is the universal language and most of us could understand such. Once you're done, click on the search button here. And the moment you click on it, it will show you a result. So please proceed on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to receive a notification where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on yes to proceed. In my case, I have already downloaded such. But in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once you have downloaded it successfully, you need to navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it, and eventually it will show you the file. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click here, and you need to click on this cat icon. Once done, you need to close the windows being opened, and then here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Okay, so once you have successfully moved the file here, first is you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click while selecting it and use the WinRAR tool or program to extract this file. So from that, go with extract to, then wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay, so once a new file folder has been created, okay, let us now begin to the installation. But before you proceed, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button as well to be updated for more relevant tutorials like this. Okay, we would love to appreciate that. Okay, so by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here at the settings, please proceed here at the left pane and locate with this option called Bluetooth and devices. The moment you've clicked in it, you need to proceed here at the printers and scanners, and afterwards, you would be able to see this option called Add Device. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, wait until you can see an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it, and in a few seconds, you would be able to bring up a new window. So here, you need to go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. And from that, this part is very important because this is where we are going to choose our printer port. Now click on this down arrow key and choose among of these three USB port. But if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. So please be cautious in selecting such. So go with next and go with have disk and click on the browse. The moment you click on it, you need to navigate here at the desktop since our extracted file has been placed here, and you need to scroll down and proceed to the extracted file. Double tap here, and there you can see a file folder called UFRII. So double tap it, and there you can see UKey underscore ENG. Double tapped and choose for 64 since Windows 11 has 64-bit. So double tap here, and it will eventually you'll be able to see the driver, double tapped and the drivers. So click on open and click on the OK button, and there you can see the printers. Then click on the next here and you can rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it for 6230dn or 6240 for easy identification. So click on next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, you can now click on next and click on finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed Canon LBP 6230 or 6240 in your Windows 11. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.